Example. All right, so example 5 says, the frequency table shows the distribution of the mass of 30 parcels that a shipping company handled on a certain day. On certain a day. It's supposed to be on a certain day. All right, so 3 of the parcels that they handled weigh so you have the mass. The mass is basically, those are the values that we're dealing with. The number of parcels is the frequency. So 3 parcels weigh 1 kilogram, 7 parcels weigh 3 kilogram, 10 parcels weigh 4 kilogram, 6 parcels weigh 6 kilogram, 4 parcels weigh 9 kilogram. We're asked to, using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 1 unit on both axes, we are to draw a histogram to represent the information. All right, this is how I would have drawn it. For starters, I wouldn't, first of all, for the histogram, over here, you're going to have frequency. All right, now down here, you're going to have values. And the values is mass in kilograms. The frequency is number of parcels. All right. I wouldn't label it like this. I probably would say something like, put my 1 here, 1. Put my 2 here. All right. Let's let it stay this way for the time being, so as to not cause confusion. But I wouldn't put the numbers at the 1 centimeter mark. I would put them in the middle. All right, I know what to do to fix it. All right, so this is how I would have numbered the horizontal axis. So my values were what? The weights were 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. So I put my 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. All right. How many parcels weigh 1 kilogram? So it's 3, 7, 10. So the first bar, the height of it is 3. The second bar, the height of it is 7. The third bar, the height of it is 10. 3, 7, 10. 6 and 4. The next bar, the height is 6. And the bar after that, the height is 4. All right, so let's get our bars. The first bar, the height is 3. The second bar, the height is 7. All right, the next bar, the height is 10, and we're drawing our histogram. Now, the bar after that is, the bar after this is 6. And the last bar is 4. All right, moves all the way down. All right. And this is one way in which the histogram could have been what? Could have been drawn. All right. So on the vertical axis, we have frequency. On the horizontal axis, we have mass in kilograms. This is one way it could have been drawn. Some persons might choose to put in the missing bars, like there is 1, there is 3. Some persons might choose to put in the bar that says 2, the bar that says 5 and 7, 7 and 8, and make the height of the bar be 0. But I really wouldn't do it like that. I would do it like this. All right. And so this figure here is called a histogram. So what's the next thing we're asked to do? The next thing we're asked to do is we're asked to state the mode. Now the mode is the value that occurs the most. When you have a frequency table, the mode is the value with the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 10, and that corresponds to the value 4. The frequency is 10, the value is 4. So the mode is 4 kilogram. The mode is the value that occurs the most. The value that occurs the most is 4. It occurred 10 times. Guys, remember median. Remember for the median, all right, how many values? This is 30. So you're gonna go, the median is value n plus 1 over 2. All right, so n, this is 30 plus 1 over 2. This is 31 over 2. This is 15.5 TH. Now, the 15.5 is telling me that the median is the average of the 15th and the 16th value. In order for you to determine what is the 15th and the 16th value, you need to put in cumulative frequency. So we have cumulative frequency. All right, cumulative frequency. And we're gonna add the frequency going down. So it's 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. Remember, the median is the average of the 15th and the 16th value. So I need to know what value is the 15th and which value is the 16th value. Guys, the first 3 values is 1. The 4th to the 10th value is 3. The 11th to the 20th value, the 11th to the 20th value is 4. Now I need the 15th and the 16th, and the 11th to the 20th value is 4. It means therefore that my median Q2 is equal to 4, which is the 15th value, plus 4, which is the 16th value, divided by 2. This is 8 over 2. This is equal to 4 kilograms. Guys, next we are asked for the mean. For ungroup data, the mean x bar is equal to the sum of fx divided by n. The mean is equal to the sum of fx divided by n. Going back to the table, I need to set up a column I need to set up a column called FX. So FX, which is frequency times value. This is 3 times 1, 3, 7 times 3, 21, 10 times 4, 40, 6 times 6, 36, 4 times 9, 36. So let's add 36 and 36 is 72. 72 plus 40 is 112. 112 plus 21 is 133. 133 plus 3, this looks like 136. The sum of FX is 136. Let's add them over. 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 plus 40 is 112. 112 plus 21 is 133. 133 plus 3 is 136. Now, guys, the sum of FX is the sum of all the values. So in other words, the sum of FX here, which is 136, is the mass of the 30 parcels. The sum of FX here, which is 136, is the mass of the 30 parcels. Guys, for the first line, if 3 packages, each 3 parcels, each weigh 1 kilogram, that is 3 kilogram. If 7 packages, each weigh 3 kilograms, that's a total of 21 kilograms. If 10 packages, each weigh 4 kilograms, that's a total of 40 kilograms. So the 136 is the sum of the mass of all 30 packages or parcels. Guys, this is 136 divide by 30. The mean or the average is 4.5 kilograms. The mean or the average is 4.5 kilograms. Stay with me. Guys, lastly, we're asked to determine the probability that a parcel selected at random had a mass of at least 4 kilograms. Guys, I said this before, but I don't mind saying it again. At least is an inequality term, and it means greater than or equal to. So at least is an inequality term, and it means greater than or equal to. So if I want the probability that a parcel selected at random had a mass of at least 4 kilograms, what I want is the probability that the mass is greater than or equal to 4 kilograms. Because at least is an inequality term, it means greater than or equal to. To answer this, I have to go back to my table, and I want to identify all the parcels that weigh 4 kilograms or more than 4 kilograms. These are all the parcels in total that weigh either 4 kilograms or more than 4 kilograms. That's a total of 20 parcels. So the answer for my probability is 20 out of 30, or 0.67, or 67%. So there's a 67% chance that if you select a parcel at random, that parcel would have a mass that is either 4 kilograms or greater than 4 kilograms.